Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Relay panel van. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This exemplar comes in the Enterprise trim level and is in the extra long wheelbase L4 configuration with an H-free roofline. From the Enterprise trim level, you get the electrically adjustable heated mirrors and parking sensors at the rear. The vehicle is also fitted with barn-style opening doors at the back and a curbside sliding door. The cargo area is massive and you also have ply lining on the lower panels, plus anchorage points at mid-height, 5 of them, and 10 anchorage points over the floor to secure all your cargo. You have a full metal bulkhead and lighting fixtures, and size-wise it's 140 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 215 centimeters of a height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center ribs, and then an extensive 400 centimeters, as befitting of the L4 denomination, of fully usable floor space. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a free seat configuration with an ergonomic and fully adjustable driver's seat equipped with a leatherette armrest. Middle seat is fitted with a picnic table with cup holder and clip holder. You have storage solutions spanning the dashboard on the passenger side and at the center. And once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have an adjustable, in-depth, multifunction steering wheel. Over the stalk, you have the classic lighting and wipers. And then the infotainment is fitted on the left, plus voice commands, and over to the right with call controls. And then you have the cruise control stalk just behind the steering wheel on the left hand side. The vehicle is also fitted with the speed limiter, adjustable and engageable. Towards the right you have the dials and toggles for the auto start and stop, rear fog lights, adjusting the height of the beam, and also the mode button for the trip computer, which is fitted within the 2 analog clusters. It's in the classic Citroen amber color scheme, and from here you access a couple of settings and also the trip computer. The infotainment is a Citroen Uconnect, this one fitted with Wave navigation system powered by TomTom with 3D maps and voice indications, Android Auto and Apple Carplay through the USB cable, and a DAB radio. Just underneath you have the controls for the air conditioning, the heated mirrors and the traction control toggle, plus the center locking unit. And this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Relay panel van in L4 H-free configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.